Hello guys, today we are going to attempt to refurbish this helmet. It's in a very bad state as you can see it. We are going to try and color this helmet today. Ideally, we should cover all the parts of the helmet that we have with masking tape and newspaper where we don't intend to paint it. But unfortunately, due to COVID times, we don't have any newspaper subscription that is there. We have run out of newspapers, and we don't have a masking tape as well that is available freely at my shop. So this is another product that we keep at our shop is Abro spray paint. It's a very good quality spray paint and it's very economical paint also. So we're going to use this Abro spray paint today. Ideally you should do it in a area that is not very windy, and there are chances of spillage, so you should do it in areas, or you could cover the area properly with newspaper. Unfortunately, we just have one newspaper that we'll be using for covering while painting. So we'll start the painting now. So ideally we should do 2 or 3 thin layers of paint. The paint is very quick, fast drying. It just takes about 10 or 15 seconds to dry for one coat. And ideally you should, rather than doing one thick layer of paint, we should be doing 2 or 3 thin layers of paint so that the paint gets absorbed properly and it's a proper layer of paint. So we'll start and paint now. Just let's see how it comes out. Okay. Yeah. It's a dark green color that we have chosen.
तो 2000 देते बोलो क्या चेक किया
कर रहे हैं ना
बोला जाने नहीं हाँ
This is what happens, so you have to be careful for that. So ideally it should not drip like this, but okay, anyway we can improve that after just sandpapering it slightly, so all those things can be removed after that. So let this first coat dry, so we can go for the second coat as well. हाँ नहीं वो सब second coat में cover हो जाएगा. Paint is now dry. It's some paint has spilled over on my hand, so I can just wash it after with soap. It's very easy. So first it should be touch dried. So you can see there are some places where it is left and some paint is stuck onto the newspaper as well. So we'll try to finish it now with the second coat, and wherever the paint was not applied properly for the first time, we'll try to use it for the second time, and whatever aberrations are there here in the paint, we'll try to remove them using a slight sandpapering. So that we'll do after the full painting is done, because okay. So this is where we are starting the second layer of paint. So we will mainly focus on areas where we have not painted it properly for the first time. can see the entire helmet is almost painted, but still there is about half a can of paint that is still left with us. So it's a very good brand. Generally, if you use all those Chinese brands of paint, spray paint, they don't last as much. So there are 2-3 good companies of spray paint. So this Abro spray paint is one good company among them. So we've painted the second coat of paint as well. We'll do just a slight coat of paint so that if anything else is left, it will be covered in this layer. Should be careful that you don't spill it here and there. I've been a little haphazard with doing it, so you should be more careful with it. This spray paint is available in lots of different colors. It's available even in gold, silver, chrome colors. So it comes out really well. As we have lots of paint left, so I'm just trying to make a third layer as well. Wherever there are aberrations, I'll finish it off with a sandpapering. Slight sandpapering, maybe 220 or 180 should also be good. I'll just keep it here again for drying. Drying takes about 10 or 15 seconds, not a very long time, but for it to touch dry and to be repainted again, you should at least wait for 2 or 3 minutes. So I'll show you after putting on the shield and everything. I'll just show you how the helmet looks again in the photograph. So thank you. So this is what it looks like after it's done. You can see there is slight gloss in it, but that totally depends on you if you want a gloss or not. If you want a higher gloss, you could use a wax that it is readily available in the market at automotive paint shops or automotive shops. So this is the color that we used, and this is the grass green color that we used, and it has not come out perfect, but it is much better than what it was when we started off. So thank you for watching this video.